is बच्चे functions of an entrepreneur. What are the activities that are done by the entrepreneur? The various functions of the entrepreneur may be classified. The first one is innovation. This is an important function. Introducing new products, opening new market, new sources of raw material, and new organization structure. This is an important function of an entrepreneur. He introduced a new product. He opening the new market. He open the new sources of the raw material, how they can get the raw material from the market, and he build up a new organization structure. Next is risk taking. See, there are a lot of alternatives when any entrepreneur take decision. Lot of alternatives they will select. They have lot of alternatives, and that the responsibility of an entrepreneur choose the best and appropriate alternative, so the end result should be effective and efficient for the organization. Decision making. What decisions that should be taken by an entrepreneur? Stabilizing organization aims and objective and changing them according to changing condition to make them more profitable. That means when there is a requirement to change condition, when there is a changing condition in the business, so he is capable to change the decision according to the changing condition, so that they can produce their output more profitable. Division of work among subordinates. There are a lot of workers, so there is a division of work. He should be divide the work between them. Utilization of financial resources. Each and every financial resource should be utilized in an effective way. Taking decision on effective techniques. Selling the product as per the demands of the customers. Whenever there is a demand of the customers, they have to sell the products. Relationship with the social functionaries. So these are decisions that are includes that should be taken by the entrepreneur. Next is organization and management. To organize and manage various economic and human factors, under this category following are his function. He has to be plan the enterprise, what you want to do, where you want to do, how you can set up your enterprise, what capital that are required in your business, what kind of resources, human resources that are required in your organization. So planning is required. This is an management function. Coordination and control between the all departments and between the workers in the organization. Supervision. He has to check whether the workers are performing according to the duties assigned by him or not. Direction. He has to give the direction. According to this way, everybody have to do work in the organization. So these are the functions that are performed by an entrepreneur in the organization and management to organize the activities in the organization. Size and scale of business unit. To decide about the size of business unit, he wants to establish one production unit or more, which is dependent upon demand of the product. Similarly, he has to decide about the scale of production. That means he has to take the decision. This is a function of the entrepreneur, whether he wants to do small scale business, middle scale, or large scale business. If we are talking about small scale, that is considered to be in sole proprietorship. Yes, large scale company form of business. So he has to decide it first. This is a function of an entrepreneur. Next one, bache, appointment of managerial and other workforce. He has to take the appointment of managerial and other workforce. That means he have whatever the human sources, how many human sources are required in the business, he has to get the information from the HR manager, that is in HR department. To arrange for factors of production and establishing coordination. Arrange for factors of production. What are the factors of production? Like land, labor and capital to produce the product. And establishing coordination. They have to coordinate in between them so they can produce maximum output by the best utilization of factors. Procuring raw material and machinery. Procuring means how much raw material that are required for your production. You have to procure or you have to purchase that raw material and machinery, so your production process is not affected. Control and direction. Exercising control over all the departments. This is a general policy formulation that is built up by the entrepreneur to control all the departments, to supervise all the departments, all the departments manager or all the department workers are doing according to their duties or not. Next is finding suitable market. Wherever he wants to sell his product, he has to search the suitable market to sell the product. What is the advertisement policy? How he advertised his product. Appointments of selling agents, by whom the product should be sold. Either there are wholesaler or retailers are there. Providing incentive to various selling intermediaries. Wholesaler and retailers are called the intermediators. Next is new invention. This is also new. He is responsible to creating the new ideas, new invention in the production, in the techniques, in the production techniques, in the selling techniques, in the marketing techniques and advertising techniques. Next is establishing relation with the government. To establish relation with the government and its functionaries. Obtaining license. Firstly, you have to obtain license from the government. Payment of tax, regular payment of tax, selling the products to the government and provision for the export import. He has to follow the provisions of the export and import that is made by the government. Either he want to export and import from the country to country. Next is last, establishing contacts with competitors. The entrepreneur is in a sense an institution which comprises of all people required to perform various functions. The task of such people is to innovate, adjust or combine various factors of production and expand on account of change in demand and marketing condition. See, if there are changing in demand and marketing condition, the taste and preferences of customer also change. So they must foresee the opportunities and must also be in position to make opportunities out of a given situation. How they can contact with their competitors, how they can beat easily with their competitors. So these all are the functions of an entrepreneur.